What's up guys, TANSAFTECH is here and another news which is coming for the Galaxy Fold 2 has been arrived over the internet, and Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is slowly starting to emerge from the shadows as we are inch closer to its launch date. A fresh report out of South Korea states that the new flexible phone will feature a bigger internal display and up to 120 Hz of a refresh rate screen, confirming many rumors. South Korean ETNews has reported that the new Galaxy Fold 2 will feature a massive 7.7 inch of internal display, and this is slightly bump up of 0.4 inch compared to the original Fold. However, the highlight here is the external display, which is said to be a whopping 6.23 inch of screen size. According to the rumors that the bigger display will fold inwards using a vertical hinge and the external display will take the spot of the smartphone mode. This is a big upgrade compared to smaller 4.6 inch of a Galaxy Fold from last year. With this upgrade, Samsung aims to give full screen experience on inner and outer display. This will set the user on the trend of holding 6-inch plus display that omnipresent in the marketing right now. Hence, the newer Fold 2 will give a screen real estate that is a 1.6 inch of higher than the old devices. It's time for a high refresh rate, and further, Samsung is also expected to introduce the higher 120 Hz of a refresh rate on the inner display of Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. This could be due to the trend the company is following in all of its flagship this year. The higher refresh rate screen made a debut with the Samsung Galaxy S20 series in March, and going forward the company wouldn't want to downgrade the user experience considering the price of the device. However, the outer display will be having a 60 Hz of a refresh rate, and also the upcoming Note 20 is expected to have a 120 Hz of a refresh rate to continue the trend. Talking about their specification, the inner display will also have a 2213 by 1689 pixel of a resolution with 11.8 by 9 is the aspect ratio, while the outer one will have a 2267 by 819 with a 24.9 by 9 aspect ratio. Both will have a punch hole screen for housing a selfie camera. The Galaxy Fold 2 will borrow the ultra-thin glass from the earlier launch Z Flip. This will replace the older Fold transparent polymer layer made by Japanese company. Samsung made a breakthrough in the foldable glass segment by working with Donaldson's in Germany. It added a tempered glass to the display, which increased the durability of 30 mm compared to the display with a plastic screen molded on it. Report also says that the Samsung has already begun the mass production of foldable 2 display in May, and it is expected to produce 300,000 units per month with an annual goal of 3 million units. As of now, it is rumored that the flexible device could debut along with the Note 20 series in August via an online event, but we will have to wait for the official teaser for the company. So overall, the Galaxy Fold 2 is going to be an exciting device. I'm pretty much excited about its all the specification, but I do have some concerns regarding its screen and also how much of a battery which is going to be consuming by considering the fact that it is coming with 120 Hz of a refresh rate inside and such a large screen which is also coming on the outer display as well. Well, these are my questions, and we may find these answer in coming days as the launch date is approaching nearer and nearer. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments, what you think about the Galaxy Fold 2, and if you want more coverage regarding the upcoming new devices and unboxing of some of these devices on my channel, do consider subscribing it. This will motivate me to bring more such content on this channel for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.